What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can save a PowerPoint slide as an image. So first, you want to select the slide that you want to save as an image. Select File, select Save As, select the directory where you want to save the picture. And instead of saving as PowerPoint presentation, from the drop down, you're going to select JPEG or PNG, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to select Save. Now here it asks, which slides do you want to export? You can export all of them or just this one. So I'm going to go with just this one, which is the current one which I am on. Now let's go to my documents, sort. So this was the slide which was exported as a JPG. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.